Hey everyone, Dan with True North Motos. Today we're going to go over the install of the Beta multifunction switch delete. So this is what you're going to get in your kit. Very simple push button switch. And what this is going to do is let you take this multifunction switch off the bars and completely remove it. And you'll lose function of your horn and turn signals, which don't come on these bikes anyways. The horn does, obviously. You also won't have high and low anymore. But this is going to just turn your headlight on and off. So a lot of guys just want to do this to free up their bars. They're not going to use any of those functions anyways. So simple, pop your overhead light mask straps off, remove that, and you can see right here where your switch comes down. Just going to unplug that, plug this guy in, and that's how it goes. Now I recommend using a little dielectric grease on here when you push this in, and where this is going to mount is right here in your turn signal hole. So you will need to drill this hole out just a little bit. I'd still drill out a little bit. Use a 7/16 drill bit. Drill that out a tiny bit so it sits in there well, and then put a dab of blue Loctite, just a drop right there around the threads. You do not want to get any on the switch itself. And then screw your cap on and lock it on. Plug her in and put your headlight mask back on. That's all there is to it. Thanks for checking it out.